Hey yo, we got this 78 Chevy Classic. What we doing here is we will be putting a 5 to 7 inch on here. Then after lift kit, it will be going to the body shop, paint shop. So got to watch the journey. Already got the parts. Got all the parts here. Take them out, put them on there, hit y'all in a minute. Alright y'all, so this is what we have. We have all shocks, control arms, cups, struts, those front ones. So all this will be going. We have the ball joints, screw on ones, so I'll just screw them on there. And we will be lifting this up and getting this done. So all this, I don't think all those cups going on are just a couple, I don't know what's what, but we wanted to make it to a 5 inch. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let's do it. Hey y'all, working on the back. Hit the pause for the front right now, but got everything loose for the back. Got the control arms that go to the frame, to the axle. Got those unloose. Had the, for some reason it's like somebody put in a bolt backwards, or I don't know. Talked to somebody on the phone and they said, because this is 78, they said around that time they had the assembly line going something crazy. You wouldn't even believe how they had it running, but you know, but yeah, we got that. We got everything loose, and I already got one spring got over here, which is right here. Got this one right here. Got this one out already. So now I just gotta put that cup in there. Got basically all that loose, so I dropped that on out of there. I'm just working on the back for right now because that gonna be easy. So let this begin.
It'd be funny if we did that on camera.
Trailing arms is getting kind of late right now, so of course kids around sleeping and stuff, so we gotta wrap it up. But tomorrow, first thing I'm gonna be getting into is gotta do the inner control arms that go to the frame, to the axle, put those on next, and then go back with the springs and the cups like we was doing earlier and put those in, because that was the last thing that we gotta do. I was doing that first when we had to change this and do the arms, get that out the way, then we gotta do the springs. So I was doing that. So seems like that'll, once I get done with that, that'll be it for that back. And then don't forget I have the control arms upper for each side. I gotta install those. I already installed the ball joints into them. 4 bolts, make sure those nice and snug tight. Alright. good, but we gotta move the caliper out the way, and then we gotta go in for these couple. We gotta go in these 2 bolts in there that'll drop this whole knuckle. We gotta take this whole knuckle out because I gotta get to these 2 bolts right here. So yep, those 2 bolts. Change this, and that'll be it. And I gotta pop the spring out. What's up, y'all? Okay, so right now I already installed the trailer bar arm. I'm installing those. I got to tighten up the bolts on those, and I got to throw the shocks in here, and then throw the springs back in. So that's how it looks so far. Got those in, and then I'm finna go right there, throw those in. Get y'all in a minute. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So we got the passenger front done. Got the control arm on there. I put the cup under the spring. Tighten back up the tie rod. So I'm working on the driver's side now. This done, roll back there done. Yeah, all back there done. This side. Now I'm working over here. I gotta install that. Loosen them bolts up. I sprayed them down good. See I'm working on getting that out. I'm almost close to getting that spring out. Gotta load this control arm. That spring should come out. Then we'll be done with this side real soon, yo. Catch y'all in a minute once I'm done. Yeah, we right now we finishing up with this side. Got the cup under the spring. Got the control arm in. Tighten up them bolts. So now I'm taking the spring compressor out so we can finish putting this whole assembly back on. And then we'll be done with this side. Then we'll start jacking it up, putting the tires on, basically done. Tighten up, make sure every bolt's tight, and basically be done. So yeah. Now it's just a matter of time to just keep twisting and twisting and twisting. Because we can't put a compressor or nothing under here, or can I? Oh yeah, because it's at an angle, so best bet is just twist it like I'm doing now. Do it. Thing is, just don't rush, take your time. I came across a lot of, or one strip bolt. I had to go buy. I couldn't find my other socket, so as you can see, the bolt is still in here. Where is it? And this go to the end of the tie rod, so I'm gonna have to see what size this bolt is and get a new bolt for this.
Here's some
Hey, look, y'all, this is how we're sitting right now. I gotta put the front tires on, but